have to mention gloves. It's absolutely must for this recipe. Hello everyone, this is Ina with innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making Russian dish, Russian beet salad. I have to mention this salad traditionally made with prunes and usually was available only smoked prunes and walnuts. But I found interesting to switch around and change for different nuts. I have done with cashew, pecans, and today I'm making this beautiful bright green color pistachio, which is fine and very good match with the salad as well. Beets love pistachio, by the way. And red beets, prunes, regular prunes I use, the one is available every supermarket. And for the dressing, lemon, salt, pepper, and homemade mayo. I will link below my recipe how to make 3 different ways, and you can pick which one suits more you. And look how beautiful and creamy and glossy this mayo. But if you don't have time, use whatever mayo you wish. Even you can use vegan, and that way that salad you can call vegan salad. So let's begin. I have to mention gloves. It's absolutely must for this recipe. Beets are staying crazy. So beets, you have to use gloves. First, I have to tell you, I simply boil like would you boil potato or any other root vegetable, just water. There's nothing unusual, and it's very easy peel. You don't need even knife. Or you can bake. Sometimes I do that way. And what you need to do, just wrap beets in a foil and bake for 30 minutes in oven for 375 or so, and when it's nice and soft, you will peel together with foil, which is even easier. Maybe less mess, but I boiled this time. And shred on regular box shredder. And a little bit of salt, just a few turns. And black pepper. Juice of half lemon, just half. And chopped pistachio and prunes, roughly chopped. Super easy salad. And mayo. And that's it. It's super easy. You just mix together and taste for salt if it suits your taste. So that's it. It's super easy. We just need to taste. Yummy. I think a little bit black pepper, a little bit more salt, and actually another teaspoon of lemon juice. And I like to decorate a little bit more, garnish this pistachio just for bright up the color, and a little bit of parsley, of course. A lot of parsley actually. And I like to serve with sourdough bread. I toast it in a toaster, and I will link below how I make this bread on my website. And here you go. That's how I like to serve. You just take a little bit of salad and make a perfect bite. One of those winter root vegetable salad. Simple to make, so good for you. Easy, quick, delicious. And remember, for full recipe, I always link in description below. And leave me a comment if you like this video. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.